Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve Xbox app with the error code 0x803F8007 in Windows. With the error message, something unexpected happened. Reporting this problem will help us understand it better. You can wait a bit and try again or restart your device. That may help. So this error may happen due to a conflict in licensing, issues with system files, or problems with your Microsoft account, and errors in Windows Store or Xbox App Cache. And this error could appear after an interruptions in the process of updating Windows. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to clear the Xbox app cache. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for app, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung command keyword WS reset. So makikita mo kaagad dito run command, and then i-click mo lang dito yung open. So this procedure is a troubleshooting tool which is used to reset or clear the Windows Store without changing the account settings or deleting installed apps. Kaya ginagawa natin yung command keyword na WS reset para mag-back to default yung ating Microsoft Store account. Alright? So once na-open na natin dito, and the next step, so close lang natin tong Microsoft Store. And the other solutions we will do is to reset the Xbox app. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung settings. And then click mo lang dito yung open. So dito lang sa left side menu and select mo lang dito yung apps. At dito sa right side ay kailangan mo lang itap dito yung installed apps. And dito lang sa search app, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung Xbox. And then once na-type mo na dito yung Xbox, so automatic naman na mag-a-appear kagad dito yung Xbox app. So Microsoft Corporations na makikita mo dito. And then dito lang sa right side ay kailangan mo lang i-tap dito yung tatlong dot. And then iselect mo lang dito yung advanced option. And the next step, so scroll down. And then dito lang sa terminate, so kailangan mo lang i-tap dito yung terminate. And then once nagawa mo na yan, and the next step ay dito sa reset, so if this app isn't working right, and then we can try to repair it. So kailangan mo lang itap dito yung repair, and wait natin na ma-complete yung repair process. And then after repair process complete, and the next step, so if this app still isn't working right, and then kailangan lang itong i-reset. So itap mo lang dito yung reset, and then this will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. So, i-click mo lang dito yung reset and wait natin na ma-complete yung reset process. Alright, so after dito sa reset procedure, and close lang natin yan, and the other solution na pwede natin gawin is to run the system scan. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung CMD. Or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt, and then kailangan mo lang mag-right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and itap mo lang dito yung yes. And once na open mo na itong administrator command prompt, ang next step ay kailangan lang i-enter dito yung command keyword na dsem space slash online space slash cleanup dash image space slash restore health. So copy lang natin yan, gamitin mo yung keyboard shortcut Control plus C, and then next step ay ipipaste natin dito, and then gamitin mo yung keyboard shortcut Control plus B and press mo lang yung enter. And deployment, image, servicings and management tool. So dito ay kailangan lang hintay na ma-complete ang verifications into 100%. and the restore operations completed successfully. And the next command keyword na kailangan natin i-enter ay type mo lang dito yung command keyword na sfc space /scan now. So in all small letter lahat, hindi yung /scan now, that is one word, and press mo lang yung enter. And beginning system scan, this process will take some time. Beginning verification space of system scan. So dito ay kailangan ulit hintay na makomplete ang verifications into 100%. And finally, verifications 100% complete. And next step, so close lang natin tong CMD at dito lang sa start menu and kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix Xbox app with the error code 0x803F8007 in Windows. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.